Hello friend, I am Ghanshyam and I am here with another video to discuss about the measurement of the resistance problem. So here is our first problem. So what is problem? Our saying that forearm of Wheatstone bridge. Here is a Wheatstone bridge. So there is a forearm like that. Forearm of Wheatstone bridge FB contain 100 ohm. Let's A and B. This is 100 ohm here, and BC contain 10 ohm. BC contain 10 ohm here, and CD contain 4 ohm. So C here D. CD contain 4 ohm here, and DA contain 50 ohm. DA it contain 50 ohm here, and is connected between the BT. So while a battery of 10 volt DC is connected between A and C. So 10 volt battery is connected between the A and C. Find the current through the galvanometer. Find the value of the resistance to be put on the arm DA so that the bridge is balanced. So it's asking that how many current will be flowing through the galvanometer, that is ID. So ID is equal to, what is the ID? We have to find the value of ID here, this ID, and our main purpose is to find the what is the resistance between AD so that our bridge is balanced. So first we have to find our current. So before going to that current, we have to find the voltage between BC and voltage between DC. So how to find the voltage between BC? By voltage division rule. By applying our voltage division rule, voltage division rule VBC. Here VBC is equal to 10 volt into same resistance divided by total resistance is equal to that 0.91 volt, and VDC also same. 10 volt into same resistance divided by total resistance is equal to 0.74. So then we have to find the Thevenin's voltage. How we find the Thevenin's voltage across here? Thevenin's voltage across here B point and our D point. So to find the Thevenin's voltage VTH, here point B our voltage VB, and point D our voltage VD. So VTH is equal to VB and D. So VBD is equal to VB minus VD. So VBC minus VD is equal to VB minus VD, and VB minus VD is equal to VBD, and VBD is equal to VTH. So by applying these two equation here, we have get 0.17 volt, that is Thevenin's voltage. And to find the Thevenin's resistance, we have to convert this circuit into this. So here V, B, N, this is not N, this is D, this is D. So our A and C are connected at one point here, and by applying the parallel theory, this 100 ohm and 10 ohm are connected parallelly, and 50 ohm and 4 ohm are connected parallelly. So by applying the parallel formula, we have get RTH or Thevenin's resistance is equal to that 12.79, that is 100 into 10 divided by 100 plus 10 plus 50 into 4 divided by 50 plus 4, and then to find the current ID, that is the galvanometer current, VTH is equal to RD plus RTH. So RD is the galvanometer resistance, internal resistance of the galvanometer, and VTH we have already find, that is 0.17 volt. Put here 0.17 volt divided by RD, internal resistance of the galvanometer, that is 20 ohm. So by applying all the 0.17 divided by 2 ohm, it is 20 ohm plus 12.79, then we will get 5.18 ampere. So our one thing is already calculated, that is find the bridge not no, it is galvanometer current, and to find the unknown resistance or whatever you say, and it is asking, that is the resistance value at dA, the resistance value at dA, so that our bridge is balanced. So here 4 ohm and 10 ohm are connected, so our bridge is saying that 100 ohm into 4 is equal to that resistance into that resistance. So applying this rule, we will get our balance equation is